Did you know that you can transfer the ownership of your Netflix account directly from your phone? Let me show you how you can do that. Click your account on the lower right, it's called My Netflix, then click the three lines on the upper right. Then go to account from here, and under the account section scroll down towards the bottom and you will find profile transfer. You can simply go ahead and transfer your profile, and as you can see, it basically said that profile transfer is enabled. Turn it off to disable it if you want, right? And go ahead and click turn off profile transfer if you need to. But if you would like to learn more, simply go ahead and click help center. What I recommend is to do these things on your computer if you have one, but you can easily go ahead and do a transfer directly from your phone. But that's pretty much it, guys. Here you have all the information that you need to take. Profile transfer, it gives you all the data that you need to be able to perform such action. But that's it. Very easy and very simple, guys.